Hi, I'm Shamika T. Askew with the Law Office of Shamika T. Askew, located in Brandon, Florida. So I always like to do an encouraging, inspirational video. And today I want to talk about an issue that I noticed in my marriage that ended up, getting dissolved. We divorced. And the same issue that I noticed in my marriage, I'm noticing in clients' marriages that I actually represent in a divorce case. And that issue is this: rather than working together as a team, I noticed that couples, not all, but some couples typically operate as opponents. So I grew up playing sports. I'm a sports fan, specifically basketball. So when I think about basketball, you have 5 players on the court. You may have a star. Growing up, I loved Michael Jordan. But Michael Jordan wasn't anything without Scottie Pippen. And, Scottie Pippen, they relied on Dennis Rodman. So I say that to say, even though MJ was the star, he was the leader of the team, he couldn't win all those championships by himself. He had a team. They weren't opponents, they were teammates. That's the issue that I see with marriages that end up in divorce. Not always, but I'm noticing this trend. So I say that to say, I really highly encourage you, if you've gone through a divorce like I have, really try to ask yourself, what role did you play in acting more as an opponent rather than a teammate? Because if you really do some self-reflection, you probably can find things in your own life. I've done the same thing where I've already taken down my list of things that Shamika needs to work on. I would encourage you to do the same thing, so that way the next marriage, because you likely will remarry if you love, you will act more like a teammate versus an opponent. So I just highly encourage you, whoever you are that's listening, to please stop trying to be an opponent and go up against your spouse. Be more inclusive and act as a unit, because you guys are a team. This hopefully helps someone if you're thinking about a divorce. I don't wish divorce on anyone. I understand that it happens. I am a divorce lawyer. But if there's anything you can do to save your marriage, I would highly encourage you to do it before you go down the road of a divorce, because it's not the best in this single life. It has its benefits, but ultimately, when you love, you're still going to be looking for love somewhere else, whether you're married or not. So I hope that helps whoever. Again, Shamika T. Askew with the Law Office of Shamika T. Askew, located in Brandon, Florida.